Very good evening. So thanks for joining this session. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a AWS free tier account. So what is meaning of AWS free tier account means if anyone wants to learn AWS cloud computing technology, everybody you can create a AWS account freely for 1 year access. You can practice the all the services within the limitation, within the terms and conditions you can use it. So this account you can create for anyone. If you have a Gmail account, if you have a credit card, debit card account, and if you have a phone number, so you can provide your address details. If this information if you provided, your AWS free tier account will get created. ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ ఫ్రీ టైర్ అకౌంట్ ఎందుకు మనం క్రియేట్ చేస్తాము అంటే ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ క్లౌడ్ కంప్యూటింగ్ టెక్నాలజీని నేర్చుకోవడానికి మనం ఈ అకౌంట్ని తయారు చేసుకోవాలి, క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. అలా ఈ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ఎలాంటి ఛార్జెస్ లేదు, 100% ఫ్రీగానే మీరు అకౌంట్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ అకౌంట్ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి కావాల్సిన మినిమం రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఏంటి అంటే ఒక ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ ఉండాలా, మీ బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఉండాలా. బ్యాంక్ అంటే క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ కానీ డెబిట్ కార్డ్ కానీ ఉంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఇకపోతే ఫోన్ నెంబర్ ఒకటి, అదేవిధంగా మీ అడ్రస్ డీటెయిల్స్ని ఎంటర్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్, when you creating AWS account, your details like your phone number and your bank details and your personal details will not disclose to anyone by Amazon. ఈ ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు ఇచ్చే ఏ డీటెయిల్స్ అయినా కూడా ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అనే కంపెనీ, అమెజాన్ అనే కంపెనీ మీ డేటాని చాలా చాలా కాన్ఫిడెన్షియల్గా ఉంచుకుంటుంది. ఎవరికి కూడా డబ్బుల కోసం కానీ అమ్ముడుపోదు. Next, if you want to create a AWS account, you need to browse the website name is aws.amazon.com. మీరు ఒక ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అకౌంట్ని క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి aws.amazon.com అనే వెబ్సైట్ని మాత్రమే అప్రోచ్ అవ్వాలి. యూ షుడ్ నాట్ అప్రోచ్ ఎనీ అదర్ ఫేక్ అడ్రసెస్ ఇన్ ద ఇంటర్నెట్. మీరు ఎలాంటి ఫేక్ అడ్రసెస్ని కూడా అప్రోచ్ అవ్వడానికి వీల్లేదు. ఎలాంటి లింక్స్ని క్లిక్ చేసి ఆ వెబ్సైట్లో అకౌంట్ని క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయకండి. మీరే మాన్యువల్గా aws.amazon.com అని టైప్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఈ పేజ్ వచ్చిన తర్వాత మాత్రమే సైన్ ఇన్ చేయండి. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద డిఫాల్ట్ ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ ఇన్ aws.amazon.com. So in this page, you can create an AWS account by clicking create an AWS account in the right top corner of the screen. In the right top corner, you have an option called create an AWS account. So once you click that, it will redirecting to a new page. So this page, you need to create AWS account providing of your email address and your account name. So before creating an AWS account, you can learn what is Amazon free tier and what are the services they're providing, what are the limitations. So in the left side of the screen, it is telling that explore free tier products with a new AWS account. To learn more, visit aws.amazon.com/free. So you can please copy that URL aws.amazon.com/free. You can copy that URL. You can copy that name and open the new tab on the browser, same browser, and paste it here and hit enter. So here in this page, it will clearly explain about what is Amazon free tier. So why Amazon is giving a free tier? Because promoting their business. More people are, every day there'll be new signups and they're using the services, they'll generate the money. So before buying the product, definitely the customer need to trial the services. So for that reason, AWS is offering this free tier account. This free tier account access validity is for 1 year. But all the services cannot be accessed 1 year, but few services are short time, and few services are for longer period of time, more than 1 year also we can use it. So with this free tier account, you can gain free hands-on experience with AWS platform, products and services. If you want to, if you want to create, if you want to create AWS account, before that you want to learn what are the free services are available. Yes, you can check that what are the free tier services are available. Little bit scroll down of the screen. Scroll down. Now you have a three offers are there. Three types of offers. One is free trials. Second one is a 12 months free. Third one is always free. Free trials, 12 months free, always free. These are the three categories you can use the services. Free trials means you can access the particular services, limited period they'll provide. Within the free trial, you can explore the technology, whether it is working good or bad. Then whether you want to purchase the service, either you have to go to other company to use the services. Then you can decide it. That's called free trials. So this is not used for longer period of time. Within the limitation, very short duration, the services will be available. So what you need to do, you please click on the free trials. You please click on the free trials. You please click on the free trials. So once you click on free trials, so in the left side, tier type trials you have selected. You can see in the right side, there is a tiles are open. The different services are open, like machine learning, analytics, desktop app stream. If you scroll down, lot of services are there. But each service you can check that very limited period of time they'll be providing. Very limited time. Example, Amazon light sale is there. Amazon light sale service is there only for 750 hours for 3 months free trial. After that, if you cross the limit, the charges will be applicable. So like that, under free trial, few services are there. Those services, if you cross that limitation, the limited time, the charges will be applicable. Okay, within this time, within this free trial time, will you able to learn this particular services? Yes, absolutely. You can learn 100%. You can learn 100%. So next, little bit scroll up. Scroll up. Click on 12 months free. Once you select the 12 months free, this service continuously 12 months you can access, but each month and some limitations are there. Within the limitations, you can use the services. Example, you can see here Amazon EC2 is there 750 hours per month. So that means validity is a 12 months, but each month 750 hours you can use the services. And go to the next one, Amazon S3. Anytime within the 12 months, 5 GB is a free. If you cross more than 5 GB, the charges will be applicable. The same way, the third one, Amazon RDS, 750 hours is there. If you cross more than 750 hours per month, the charges will be applicable. So, initial days, you're not able to understand completely 100%. Slowly, one by one, you need to learn. So, go on the top and you can select the last free category, always free. So, this always free, these services unlimited days you can use, but within the limitation of the criteria. Say example, Amazon DynamoDB is there, unlimited days, more than 1 year also you can use it, but within 25 GB of DynamoDB space, you can run your business. If you cross that, charges will be applicable. Same way like Amazon Web services Lambda 1 million requests per month, Amazon SNS 1 million publishers. So like that, unlimited days you can use, but with a limited access. If you cross that, the charges is applicable. The charges is applicable. So now a question to everyone. Everybody you understand what is meaning of AWS free tier? What are the categories are there? Like a free trials, 1 year free, always free. Are you clear? మీలో ఎవరికైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయా? So next, you can go back to the previous screen, AWS console page. So previous tab. So now you can create AWS account here. So you can type your email address which is not used before in AWS account creation. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చే ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ అనేది ఇంత ముందుగా ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు ఏడబ్ల్యూఎస్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి వాడండకూడదు. అట్లా ఉన్న ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ని మాత్రమే వాడాలి. ఒకవేళ మీరు ఇంత ముందుగా ఫ్యూచర్లో ఎప్పుడైనా పాస్ట్లో వాడేసి ఉంటే మీరు మళ్ళీ ఈమెయిల్ అడ్రస్ని వాడితే అది యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయదు, ఆల్రెడీ అకౌంట్ ఉందని చూపిస్తుంది. సో you can please enter the new email address, that means which is not used before. Perfect. Now can provide your name, the below AWS account name you can provide, your first name and last name you can provide, and click verify your email address. Now your verification was sent to your email, and please open a new tab, so the particular Gmail address, and open and check the inbox. You will receive one verification code. Now click verify. So your account is successfully verified. The next, that means your email ID is successfully verified. That means this account is not used before. This is the first time you are using here. Next, you need to set up your password for future logins into the AWS account. So this password, you can please set a very complex password, very tough password, and you please remember the password. You should not write the password anywhere, and you should not share this password to anyone, and make your password will be combination of alpha numerical characters and with some special characters also. You can please type your password and do not tell your password to anyone. Now please click continue. Now click save the password for future references if you want. So you can see here, so you are creating your AWS account for which purpose? That's a contact for what is the plan you're taking. That's a business plan or personal plan. So like if you're creating AWS account managing the mainly for your company purpose, you can use the business. If your learning purpose or personal usage purpose, you can selecting that personal, you can select. You please click on personal and provide your full name and your phone number and country and address information in the screen. And please do not give any false information. So maybe in future, if you get any problem, you're trying to call AWS technical team, maybe they will validate your personal details. So if you forgot that fake details, you'll not able to get the support from AWS in future. So don't try ever updating a fake informations or wrong informations, unknown informations in the contact information page. So please select the country code +91. Enter your phone number and state details and your address details, city information, postal code, everything you please update here. And do not give the complete address, not necessarily, just give that town name and city name and state name, that's enough. You can directly type in the search bar, you don't want to scroll, not required. Yeah, you can please fill that information, not a problem. Perfect. Scroll down and click I have read agreement, the terms and conditions of AWS customer agreement, and click continue. So now here you need to submit the bank details. So while you submitting this, only Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, RuPay cards are accepting here. You can check in the left side of the screen secured verification. So we will not charge you for uses of below free tier limits. You may temporarily hold for up to $1 or equal amount of your local currency as pending transaction for 3 to 5 days to verify your identity. మీ యొక్క ఐడెంటిటీని తెలుసుకోవడానికి కోసమే ఈ అకౌంట్లో $1 కానీ లేకపోతే మీరు ఏదైతే ఏ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నారో దానికి సంబంధించినట్టుగా లోకల్ కరెన్సీని ఛార్జెస్ చేయబడుతుంది. సో ఇండియాలో అయితే ₹3 ఛార్జెస్ పడుతుంది. ఆ ₹3 కూడా మళ్ళీ మీకు రీఫండ్ చేసేస్తారు 3 to 5 బిజినెస్ డేస్లో. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు క్రెడిట్ కార్డ్ ఆ డెబిట్ కార్డ్ రెండింటిని ఏదైనా ఒక కార్డ్ని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వచ్చు. అదేవిధంగా ఎక్స్పైరీ డేట్ అండ్ సివివి కార్డ్ హోల్డర్ నేమ్స్ మీరు సబ్మిట్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ సబ్మిట్ చేసేటప్పుడు నేను ఈ విండోని స్క్రీన్ని స్టాప్ చేయమని చెప్తాను. సో ఒకసారి డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ సబ్మిట్ చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ స్క్రీన్కి వెళ్ళండి. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు స్క్రీన్ని స్టాప్ చేసేయండి. ఈ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ సబ్మిట్ చేసేసి నెక్స్ట్ క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ స్క్రీన్ని షేర్ చేయండి. Now you can see here only ₹2 will be charging here. After submitting is a OTP, the ₹2 will be detected and hold in this account. After 3 to 4 business days, this amount will be released to this account again. So once submit the OTP, please click submit here. So now sign up for business account. So you please do that. Confirm your identity. So please select the name and the primary purpose of the account registration. You please click the drop down list and personal usage. And now ownership type, you please drop down list individual. And permanent account number, you please select the PAN number, drop down list. No, please click the drop down list. So there are different identities you can submit there for creating an account. We can select the PAN account. Okay, and now you can enter the PAN, but it's not showing as a mandatory. You can do one thing. The below we have a consent form is there. You can please select the checkbox. So the consent form is not accepting without submitting the PAN details. So you can please submit your PAN and you can click next. So please wait and you can stop the screen share, enter the PAN and you can click continue. Then you can share your screen again. You can see here almost a final step. So you can please select the text message and enter the country code and enter the mobile number once again, and you can enter the security check code, the captcha code, and you can click next. and click send SMS. You will receive a SMS from your phone, normal message. You please check and you can update this. This will take some times, then you can wait for up to 10 minutes. If you're not receiving the OTP, you please return to the previous page and submit again. Or another payment method, other verification method, you can select like a calling method. Then you can submit the confirm your identity. Now submitting the confirm identity and click continue. So now the sign up for which plan you are selecting, like a basic plan, developer plan, business support plan and enterprise plan. So these are the 4 types of plans are there. So now you can select the basic plan. It's a free tier for 1 year. So other plans are monthly, some charges they'll be collecting like a $29, $100, $10,000 like that, $15,000 like that. So not required. You please select the first option and continue. That means complete the sign up. Finally, your AWS account is successfully created. How to verify your AWS account is successfully created or not? So click on go to AWS Management Console page, the button. Now can please personalize your experience, like what is your role, what is your interest. You can please click on my role is, click the select option. Maybe you can select like a student, any either IT administrator, anything you can select, and which one you are interested. You can select the student and the second one which one you are interested. I'm interested in which services, like you can select like a DevOps and click submit. Thank you. So that means you are submitting your personalization information. Now in the right side top corner we have option called sign into the console. Please click on that. Now can please enter your email address. So your root account use means your email address. Always you have to log in with the root user initial days. Then I will show you what is meaning of IAM user in the upcoming sessions. Please type your email address. Click next and submit the password. So whichever the root password you have set up, that password you need to type here and click sign in. Now your AWS account is successfully created. In the next session, I will explain AWS console tour. Until that, do not touch any other services. Please log out successfully. Thank you very much.